Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlead Guide. I am Saurav Rokle and today I am going to present some multiple choice questions on The Romance of a Busy Broker by O. Henry on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Balasaheb Rokle from the exam perspective. But before we start, be sure to like the video if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. The Romance of a Busy Broker is written by most prolific American short story writer ... Options are A. Stephen Crane, B. Edgar Allan Poe, C. William Sidney Porter, or D. Catherine Mansfield. The correct option is C. William Sidney Porter. Question number 2. What is the pen name or pseudonym of William Sidney Porter? The options are A. George Orwell, B. O. Henry, C. Richard Bachman, or D. Mark Twain. The correct option is B. O. Henry. Question number 3. The lifespan of O. Henry is ... Options are A. 1862 to 1910, B. 1863 to 1915, C. 1852 to 1900, or D. 1872 to 1988. The correct option is A. 1862 to 1910. Question 4. O. Henry was born in ... Options are A. West Carolina, which is in USA, B. East Carolina, which is in USA, C. South Carolina, which is in USA, or D. North Carolina, which is in USA. The correct option is D. North Carolina, which is in USA. Question number 5. O. Henry has written near about ... short stories. Options are A. 800, B. 600, C. 500, or D. 700. The correct option is B. 600. Question number 6. O. Henry began to write at the age of ... Options are A. 30, B. 20, C. 35, or D. 48. The correct option is B. 20. Question number 7. O. Henry was in prison for 5 years for ... Options are A. Bribe, B. Corruption, C. False charges, or D. Theft. The correct option is C. False charges. Question number 8. Majority of Henry's stories depict the life of ordinary people in ... Options are A. New York City, B. Los Angeles, C. Chicago, or D. Springfield. The correct option is A. New York City. Question number 9. O. Henry's stories are popular for their remarkable narrative techniques and ... Options are A. Themes, B. Characters, C. Surprise or twist ending, or D. Title. The correct option is C. Surprise or twist ending. Question number 10. Who is the hero or protagonist of the story The Romance of a Busy Broker? Options are A. Miss Leslie, B. Mr. Pitcher, C. Harvey Maxwell, or D. John Maxwell. The correct option is C. Harvey Maxwell. Question 11. What is the setting of the story The Romance of a Busy Broker? Options are A. A college office in New York City, B. A finance office in New York City, C. A university office in New York City, or D. A bank office in New York City. The correct option is B. A finance office in New York City. Question 12. Who is the extremely busy broker in the city of New York depicted by O. Henry? Options are A. Mr. Pitcher, B. Andrew Maxwell, C. John Maxwell, or D. Harvey Maxwell. The correct option is D. Harvey Maxwell. Question number 13. Harvey Maxwell is an honest busy broker and ... character. Options are A. Absent-minded or forgetful, B. Clever, C. Impatient, or D. Arrogant. The correct option is A. Absent-minded or forgetful. Question 14. Who is the heroine of the story The Romance of a Busy Broker? Options are A. Miss Catherine, B. Miss Elizabeth, C. Miss Vera, or D. Miss Leslie. The correct option is D. Miss Leslie. Question 15. What is Miss Leslie's job? Options are A. Lady Secretary of Mr. Pitcher, B. Lady Secretary of Harvey Maxwell, C. Lady Secretary of Joseph Maxwell, or D. Lady Secretary of Lord Maxwell. The correct option is B. Lady Secretary of Harvey Maxwell. Question 16. What job does Mr. Pitcher do in the office of Maxwell? Options are A. Personal manager of Harvey Maxwell, B. Personal peon of Harvey Maxwell, C. Personal secretary of Harvey Maxwell, or D. Personal clerk of Harvey Maxwell. The correct option is D. Personal clerk of Harvey Maxwell. Question 17. What kind or type of story The Romance of a Busy Broker is? Options are A. Ironic, B. Sarcastic, C. Humorous, or D. Serious. The correct option is C. Humorous. Question 18. Why is Harvey Maxwell referred as a machine by O. Henry? Options are A. He works with machine, B. An incorrigible workaholic, C. He likes machinery work, or D. He likes to purchase new machinery. The correct option is B. An incorrigible workaholic. Question 19. What makes Harvey Maxwell to neglect his personal life? Options are A. Busy job in finance sector, B. Miss Leslie's love, C. Movie attraction, or D. Tour attraction. The correct option is A. Busy job in finance sector. Question 21. Whom does Harvey Maxwell marry the previous evening? Options are A. Miss Leslie, the famous doctor, B. Miss Leslie, his boss's doctor, C. Miss Leslie, his manager, or D. Miss Leslie, his secretary. The correct option is D. Miss Leslie, his secretary. Question 22. How does Miss Leslie remind Harvey Maxwell about their marriage? Options are A. Gently or softly, B. Harshly, C. Proudly, or D. Roughly. The correct option is A. Gently or softly. Question 23. Maxwell and Miss Leslie were married previous evening at dash dash. Options are A. 9 o'clock, B. 10 o'clock, C. 8 o'clock, or D. 5 o'clock. The correct option is C. 8 o'clock. Question 24. Maxwell and Miss Leslie marry in the dash dash. Options are A. St. Philip Church, B. Little Church around the corner, C. St. David Church, or D. St. Jesus Church. The correct option is B. Little Church around the corner. Question 25. Who is Mr. Pitcher? Options are A. Stockbroker, B. An attendant in the office of Harvey Maxwell, C. A personal clerk in the office of Harvey Maxwell, or D. A personal manager in the office of Harvey Maxwell. The correct option is C. A personal clerk in the office of Harvey Maxwell. Question 26. Mr. Pitcher surprises to look dash dash enters with his young lady secretary. Options are his owner, B. His employer or boss or Maxwell, C. His friend, or D. His sister-in-law. The correct option is B. His employer or boss or Maxwell. Question number 27. At what time does Harvey Maxwell enter in his office? Options are A. 10:30 p.m., B. 8:30 a.m., C. 10:30 a.m., or D. 9:30 a.m. The correct option is D. 9:30 a.m. Question 28. Mr. Pitcher looks with dash dash when Mr. Maxwell enters in office with his young lady secretary. Options are A. Mild interest and surprise, B. Worry, C. Angry, or D. Jealous. The correct option is A. Mild interest and surprise. Question 29. Harvey Maxwell dashes his desk and plunge into the great heap of dash dash. Options are A. Love letters, B. Letters and telegrams waiting for him, C. Money orders, or D. Money and gold? The correct option is B. Letters and telegrams waiting for him. Question number 30. Miss Leslie had been Harvey Maxwell's secretary dash dash. Options are A. for 3 years, B. for 2 years, C. for a year, or D. for 6 years. The correct option is C. for a year. Question 31. What ornament Miss Leslie wear when she enters in the office? Options are A. gold earrings, B. no ornament, C. gold rings, or D. gold bracelets. The correct option is B. no ornament. Question 32. Miss Leslie wears a dash dash dress. Options are A. beautiful, B. fashionable, C. simple, or D. attractive. The correct option is C. simple. Question 33. Miss Leslie wears a dash dash. Options are A. grey and plain dress, B. grey and fashionable dress, C. pink and plain dress, or D. green and plain dress. The correct option is A. grey and plain dress. Question 34. Miss Leslie wears a neat black hat having dash dash. Options are A. a green feather of a parrot, B. a red feather of a parrot, C. a golden feather of a parrot, or D. a multicolored feather of a peacock. The correct option is C. a golden feather of a parrot. Question 35. Miss Leslie has dash dash. Options are A. dreamily bright eyes and rosy cheek, B. shining eyes and rough cheeks, C. dull eyes and wrinkled cheeks, or D. bright eyes and craggy cheeks. The correct option is A. dreamily bright eyes and rosy cheek. Question 36. Why does Miss Leslie move over or strays by Maxwell's desk? Options are A. receive telegram, B. issue orders, C. for time pass, or D. to feel her presence. Correct option is D. to feel her presence. Question 37. Mr. Maxwell is compared with a dash dash moves by wheels and springs. The options are A. motor, B. machine, C. toy, or D. car. The correct option is B. machine. Question 38. What work was given to Mr. Pitcher by Mr. Maxwell the day before? Options are A. to appoint a new secretary, B. to appoint a new assistant, C. to appoint a new manager, or D. to change phone and press curtains. The correct option is A. to appoint a new secretary. Question 39. Mr. Maxwell asks Mr. Pitcher to call the secretary's agency because dash dash. Options are A. he wants to appoint additional secretary, B. he does not like his secretary's manners, C. he does not like his secretary, or D. he does not want his wife to be a secretary. The correct option is D. he does not want his wife to be a secretary. Question 40. Why does the young lady from the agency leave the office angrily? Options are A. Mr. Pitcher used harsh words for her, B. her interview is cancelled, C. the interview is postponed, or D. she is appointed on low wages. The correct option is B. her interview is cancelled. Question 41. According to Mr. Maxwell, Miss Leslie gives him dash dash. Options are A. perfect satisfaction, B. sufficient satisfaction, C. gold rings, or D. sufficient respect. The correct option is A. perfect satisfaction. Question 42. The day described in the story is the dash dash day in Maxwell's career. Options are A. happiest, B. boring, C. lazy, or D. busiest. The correct option is D. busiest. Question 43. Mr. Maxwell has dash dash eyes. Options are A. brown, B. black, C. white, or D. grey. The correct option is D. grey. Question 44. What is the purpose of the machine in Maxwell's office? Options are A. Give relief to workers, B. Work fast, C. Bring business news, or D. To increase sound pollution. The correct option is C. Bring business news. Question 45. Mr. Maxwell asks his secretary dash dash. Options are A. To be his wife, B. To search new job, C. To be manager of the office, or D. To resign her job. The correct option is A. To be his wife. Question 46. Harvey Maxwell forgets that he has already married his secretary, Miss Leslie. Options are A. An year ago, B. A month ago, C. A day before, or D. Before 6 months. The correct option is C. A day before. Question 47. Why does Mr. Maxwell walk over to Miss Leslie's desk? Options are A. To greet her, B. To take feedback from her, C. To propose her, or D. To send her in church. The correct option is C. To propose her. Question 48. Orders to buy and sell in the Maxwell's office come and go as rapidly as dash dash. Options are A. The ray of the sun, B. The bullet of a gun, C. The flight of birds, or D. An athlete. The correct option is C. The flight of birds. Question 49. In the office, Mr. Maxwell works dash dash. Options are A. Lazily, B. Like high-powered, delicate and strong machine, C. Happily, or D. By force. The correct option is B. Like high-powered, delicate and strong machine. Question 50. Maxwell's office is the place of dash dash and there is no place for the human world of nature. Options are A. Telecommunication, B. Factory, C. Telegram office, or D. Finance. The correct option is D. Finance. Question 51. Miss Leslie's office is dash dash steps away from Mr. Maxwell's office. Options are A. 30, B. 20, C. 50, or D. 60. The correct option is B. 20. Question 52. When does Mr. Maxwell proposes Miss Leslie? Options are A. In lunch hour or afternoon, B. In breakfast hour or morning, C. In dinner hour or night, or D. At evening tea time. The correct option is A. In lunch hour or afternoon. Question 53. Why does Miss Leslie surprise when Mr. Maxwell proposes her? Options are A. He is rich and she is poor, B. He is ugly and she is pretty, C. She is a widow, or D. They are already married. The correct option is D. They are already married. Question 54. How does Mr. Maxwell propose his secretary? Options are A. Formally, B. Slowly, C. Hurriedly with leaning his elbow on her desk, that is informally, or D. Hatefully. The correct option is C. Hurriedly with leaning his elbow on her desk, or informally. Question 55. Where does Mr. Maxwell usually put his pen? Options are A. Over or above his right ear, B. In his pocket, C. In his drawer, or D. In his bag. The correct option is A. Over or above his right ear. Question 56. Who is referred as old fellow in the story? Options are A. Owner of the bank, B. Mr. Maxwell, C. Mr. Pitcher, or D. President of the town. The correct option is B. Mr. Maxwell. Question 57. What do you mean by a broker? Options are A. Hard worker, B. Reputed person, C. One who breaks stones, or D. A person who trades in shares at the stock market. The correct option is D. A person who trades in shares at the stock market. Question 58. What does the word romance mean? Options are A. Love occasionally, B. Love for office lady, C. Physical love, or D. Love from bottom of the heart? The correct option is D. Love from bottom of the heart. Question 59. Who is an impatient workaholic character in The Romance of a Busy Broker? Options are A. Mr. Harvey Maxwell, B. Mr. Pitcher, C. Miss Leslie, or D. Lady from Agency. The correct option is A. Mr. Harvey Maxwell. Question 60. What is the surprising element of The Romance of a Busy Broker? Options are A. Appointment of a new lady secretary, B. Appointment of a new lady typist, C. Romance or marriage, or D. Beauty of Miss Leslie. The correct option is C. Romance or marriage. Question 62. Miss Leslie looks up at Maxwell with a smile. A soft pink creeps over her cheek and her eyes are gentle and smiling. She rises to her feet and gazes at him. It shows dash dash. Options are A. Strange behavior of Miss Leslie, B. Strange behavior of Mr. Maxwell, C. Coyness of Miss Leslie, or D. Miss Leslie has no interest in the proposal. The correct option is A. Strange behavior of Miss Leslie. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.